Okay, so hi. So let's talk about something very important for any Arduino project or other projects. When you're working with power, or you want to activate a motor or lamp, or connect your power to your project, you need this device. So what is this device? This device is just a regular relay, but not very regular, and let's explain in a second why. Okay, so this relay, I will zoom a little, you will be able to see it better. Okay, so we have this relay now. What is so special about this one? Not this one. What we can see here is that if I'm looking at it, so it has this jumper, which is very important. And why it is important, I will show in a second. What is different between this relay and the other relays is that this one, you can change the polarity of your control. So if you're writing a code with activate at high, or you're writing a code with activating at low, and it is not just changing one parameter, because sometimes your activation at low is a little different than doing not of activation on high, and I don't want to go into this one, but it can be a problematic. So I've already prepared the same one with connection to show what I mean. So of course this relay is 5 volt, like all the Arduino projects. The logic can be turned on and off from 3 volt, but this model needs 5 volt. So now I will power on my Regal power supply, will connect power, and will show what I mean. In the meantime, let's see how to connect. So I've connected this one. This is written DC plus, the white one, and DC minus is the other one. I will power it on with 5 volts, and you can see the LED, the green LED, showing that it is working. So now if we will look at this jumper, it is written high, which means in the control I need to supply a DC plus. I need to supply this pin in order to activate the relay. Let's hear the noise of the coil and the magnet. You can see it is activating, and if I'm touching DC minus, it is not. And now if I will change to the other polarity, which is activating low, so now this will not work, the DC plus, but the DC minus will activate the relay. Okay, this is the activation, and it is not related, it is related to the nominal, normally open, normally closed output, but the logic, sometimes you need the logic to be in a specific way, and you don't want it to be different. And that's all about this relay, and hope this is useful to you. If yes, so please subscribe to my channel. There are a lot of other videos. Another thing that it is not related to this one is this hard drive. This is 2.5 inch, 5 terabyte, which I'm using for, of course, backup of files. It did not came with a box, so I have found this adapter. This is a regular adapter from SATA to USB, and it also provides power from the USB to the drive. And if you want to use it, you need a box, but pay attention that this model, which is Seagate Exos, is a little wide, and the height is 15 millimeter, which it is not suitable for regular box. So if you're buying it, so pay attention that you will not be able to connect it to a regular box. And that's all for now, and thank you and bye.